And go on a little shop tour. Finally got some stuff finished here that I can kind of make a full walkthrough of the shop. This is the original place. It used to be a pole barn when we first moved here. And for years, this is where I worked on my cruisers. And this is us now. Climate controlled parts, good dust-free storage for shiny Land Cruisers like this one. And parts. And I got a guy working on a smoker in my normal spot for the goat, so it's getting to stay inside in a nice area. Beer fridge, more parts. Alright, so then we walk in, and this is the addition that I put in 2020 with the 2-post lift. Parts, bolts, tools. And then toolbox, Milwaukee stash, current project working on. Sagging wagon. And so then we'll walk out to the new shop. It's got the walls put in. Insulated wall along that line. Welding tables out here. And then 3-car garage, open end on the east side where the wind does not normally blow. And so, got a nice dirty shop out here. Clean climate control shops in there. And then finally, got a nice Challenger drive-on lift out here to spray fluid film and do wash rack, things like that. So yeah, finally got it finished enough for a walkthrough. You just made a big loop with me.